at Beth's Burger Bar up by Universal Studios, and we're about to do a burger challenge. It's going to be me, my grandson, and my son who are going to try to eat this hamburger. We got 10 minutes to get it done. Plus, we have Brady.
And Brady's
going to do that.
Brady.
Yeah, Brady's going to do it. So, whoever doesn't finish it has to pay for everybody else's burgers.
I need a little bit of help because since some of you substituted items, I gotta make sure each one
Mine was
is
just
the correct
plain.
one. The first one was the double D, substitute tomatoes, pickles, avocado, mayo. So this is the one with all those substitutions.
They are doing the Beth's hamburger challenge. Did you order sweet potato fries? A hot dog is that he's a little girl. I was your hot dog, Amy. Thank you. Good. get the 3 of you. They survived the burger challenge. Are you sure that's gonna fit you? Okay. Okay, guys, let's see. Okay, so they survived the Beth Burger Double Challenge. D Challenge, Best Burger.
Well, we just finished the burger challenge at Beth's Burgers. It's only $17, and if you finish in 10 minutes, you get a free t-shirt. Plus, it's a really good burger. Thanks for watching. There's your burgers. See you on the next ride.